See, the Yatra in Bihar is a big game changer in the country. The issue which Rahul Gandhi has raised from Karnataka to Bihar has become the talk of the country. He is not fighting for himself. He is fighting for justice for a common man, which the constitution has been given. I know from my state what has been happened, and that is the lead. And today I am very proud that the Supreme Court also has given a lot of opportunity for all the people to set right their voters, and they need a change here. The change is for Mahagathbandhan. That will happen. I could see the youngsters, even in Karnataka, this type of youngsters I could not see. Such a big erosion of youngsters are coming out of the streets of Bihar. I would like to thank them. They should use the opportunity. Whatever the guarantee they have given, our Mahagathbandhan has given, definitely it will help. We will keep up our promise. Whatever promise we delivered, we have spoken in any state which we have come to power, we have delivered, and the same thing will happen here. I am very confident Bihar will have a change. Last time with a small margin, Mahagathbandhan has lost. This time we will have a government, India bloc government.
Sir, many of the India bloc leaders will be coming to participate in this.
Of course. It is not only India bloc. The local leaders itself are very capable, but still all the leaders across the country from India bloc, they will be coming here, including Karnataka Chief Minister also coming here, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister coming here, all leaders also will be coming. I will also come once again.